Intro!
Whoa!
Yay! FYI!
On the DIY.
On the DIY! Yeah!
Okay, you're a little crazy. Nope, not doing this.
Too late. You already did! Well, let's get to it. What do you got? Anything special? Ah! Did you just...
That was my ear.
Hey there, friends. I'm Graham.
I'm Jay.
And we just bought a house. It has been 11 years in the making. And you get to watch us. But, yeah. And that's awesome. So, you know what to do.
Watch. Cleo.
So, like Romy, this is going to end badly.
You mean you're never gonna finish it?
We did it.
Yay! Okay, I'm done. Hey, you guys. Okay, so this is what I've been waiting for forever. Look at my front yard. Isn't that amazing? All right, so I'm going to take you in and show you everything. There's a child. Say hi, child. Hey, don't get into stuff.
Who is that?
So we have a front window and ucky pedaling. But look at that fireplace, guys. Come on. We'll paint a little scrub. There's another child.
I'm getting my puppy.
And a husband.
Hi, guys.
A blank wall. See? It's gonna be all gray, and I'm gonna put my table here where we put our keys and stuff. This is our dining room. Carpet, of course, is coming up, and we just found out that there's hardwood underneath, so yay. This wall is going away. It'll be open up to the stairs into the basement. This window will become a door eventually, and that door will be closed off because there's some funky stairs. So there's that. This is my weird kitchen, guys. And this person that lived here left a lot of stuff. I mean a lot of stuff. We got bird magazines. He left an entire thing of dishes in my house. I'm not too happy about that. Man, a lot of stuff. These might actually come in handy as we get our stuff in here.
This is where the swing,
So
guys.
lots and lots of space.
I got tubes for my puppy.
Not so much. This kitchen is pretty small. We're not changing the footprint. All we're doing is knocking down this wall so that we can see into there. And the refrigerator will go where the stove is, and the stove will go over there on that wall. That is my plan, to utilize this kitchen better. Better. Everything is better when you own your own home. So my hallway. This will be Nevaeh's room. It's a little bit short or small, and it's blue. Ooh, with just a little light from here. So I'm gonna just come off.
Look up there.
I know. So like I said, lots of projects in here. Lots and lots of projects in this house. So we were planning on moving this doorway into the bathroom over here, but we found out that the chimney is in this wall. So we can't do that. So I will not get my walk-in shower upstairs. Hopefully I will downstairs. So we will just have to redo the tub surround because it's absolutely ugly and I hate it. But for now, it'll work. So this will be Dakota's room, which will be in a Star Wars theme. This bush outside this window will be going away. Away. We have to. It's leaning up against the house, and that's not good. And then we're going to have his closet. We're going to have it, and the hall closet and this closet will become the half bath for the master bedroom. Which is over here. So this is my room. Mine and my husband. So I just gotta figure out how I'm going to orientate my furniture in here, how I want things to go. So that's pretty darn exciting. Turn off lights as we go because now we are responsible for the electric bill. Okay, you're pulling stuff out and pulling stuff apart. I don't know what's what. So down these wonky stairs. And I don't know how to turn those lights on. Or even if I can. I don't think I can, so come down these stairs as quickly as possible into our unfinished basement. So this will be pretty darn cool, guys, because most of this will come out. All that storage back there will come out, and that'll become a play area for the children. Washer and dryer will be reorientated to about the end of the sink over here, coming this way. These will come out, which will be nice. We've got plumbed for bathroom. And then back here will be a bedroom that I am super excited for. All of this will come out. And then back here will be my husband's den area for him to play poker and do things, be a man. So that'll be really fun for him. Coda, can you grab that light?
That light is tall.
So there's a freezer, which
It's freezing.
can probably go away. Hey, close it though, because you're wasting electricity. Requires stuff. I think they left us a whole bunch of freaking Joe's Flame logs back there. That's nice. All of these cupboards will come out because this will be the family room down here as soon as we move the laundry room over. And then in here is going to be, oh god, it stinks, a surprise space.
Okay.
Oh god. Okay, but he smoked in this room. So it is god awful nasty in here. And then back here is going to be where Graham and I don't see a light bulb in here at all. I know there is one. I just can't see it. Back here is going to be where Graham keeps all of his movies and stuff. You can't see any of that. It's a rather small room. Whew, the smell of cigarettes is awful. It is strong. So yeah, that is the plan, Stan. We will cover a shit ton of shit. All the paneling will be coming down, and we'll be putting drywall up. All of these storage cabinets will be coming down. I don't know how to do that safely so that they stay intact, but we'll figure it out. Left us a washer and dryer, which is nice because we don't own any currently. They will be replaced eventually. But I gotta figure out how to move them because I don't like the location they are in. I mean, it could work. Seriously, I could make it work where it's at. I could bring the wall this way here and put the study nook there, the kids' playhouse there. And then along this wall, the TV. And then or the, on the other side, the dog kennels here. Because this thing has got to go. I hate this. It's just got to go. So I could do the dog kennels over here with the folding table on top and just make a wall this way. But that wouldn't leave me with very much room for the family room down here, for the things I want to do. So if I could move the washer and dryer this way and bring them out this way into the room, I think that would work out better for me. And then I would have pretty much from this to about, let's say here, that would all be laundry room in there. And the rest of this would be family room. I could get a small couch and a television set and stuff in here. This will be moving down closer to the staircase. So yeah, but none of the basement will be happening until the upstairs is finished. Oh, they left me a big ass frame. I hate the frame, but if I paint it and put something cool in there. See? Sorry, I really suck at this. Grim's better at the camera thing. I do not do the camera thing. These stairs will be redone with new treads eventually. Look,
It is nothing now.
we're getting new walks already. I'm so excited.